Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel with the drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today I have a really exciting video guys for all of you, and we have breaking news coming from OCLB and a brand new DJI drone that might be upon us real soon guys. But before we get started with today's video guys, if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and help us get to 1,000 subscribers. If we're able to do so before September the 15th, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one subscriber who is very lucky. So you guys don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Join the Drone Emotion family. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and it helps grow the drone community guys. So with that being said guys, let's dive right into today's video. So today's video is a really exciting one. These news are coming from OCLB, which is a pretty reliable source when it comes to DJI leaks, and it looks like according to him we might be getting a new DJI drone. But guys, it's not the DJI FPV drone we've been talking a lot in this channel, neither the DJI Tello 2 we've also been talking a lot in the channel, but also it's not the Mavic 3 guys. It's something that came out of nowhere. So let's get started with his tweet guys, right here on screen. So guys, that's what he had to say today. New DJI drone for agricultural purpose incoming. That's it with a question mark. So guys, the last drone that we saw from DJI was from their agricultural perspective was the DJI Agras T16, which was a really good drone guys. So that drone had a price tag of $19,000, so almost $20,000 here in the United States. So I'm gonna leave you right here guys a picture of the DJI Agras T16. Okay guys, so that was the DJI Agras T16 guys. So we saw this drone launched by DJI back in 2015, so it's been almost 5 years since we saw an agricultural drone from DJI. But in the past it looks like it's been working for DJI, but particularly in the last months. So why in the last months? Well, due to COVID-19, a lot of countries have been using the DJI Agras T16 to fertilize cities to try and combat COVID-19 guys. So this drone has been really popular the last few months, and it's been getting a lot of demand in a lot of countries. So it might be possible that DJI might be working on a brand new agricultural drone with a lot of brand new features for it to be launched probably this November to help fight COVID-19. So if that's the case guys, these are amazing news, because aside from getting a brand new drone from DJI helping agriculture and additionally helping fight COVID, I think this is going to be an absolute great cause. So if that's the case, and if these leaks are true, they become true from OCLB, which is almost always right, then we might be getting a brand new agricultural drone from DJI this year. Release date guys, so as we already mentioned, I think this drone from DJI may be released around November. So with the DJI Agras T16, we saw that release on November the 27th of 2015, so it might make sense to see it around November of this year, which is right around the corner guys, just a couple of 3 months from today. So it's real soon guys, we might be seeing a brand new agricultural drone from DJI. That's all of the information we have for you guys today. Thank you for watching guys, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.